video will explain how to work with unplanned events in 24Planning. So let's navigate to data sources. We have here one of the data sources we configured in a previous video where we are planning work orders for technicians. And if we scroll down, we see here a section unplanned events. So let's enable unplanned events. We need to set a duration for events. In our case, we have a field on the work order object called duration. And we need to select a filter rule. So we need to define what is an unplanned event. So in our case, we'll consider an event as unplanned if the technician name is null. So if you scroll down here, if the technician name is null, then we'll consider it unplanned. The reason why we do it this way is that there might be cases, for example, where the technician is known, but the time frame is unknown, and there might be cases where both the technician and the start and end date are unknown. So you really need to define your own definition of unplanned work. So let's update the data source. Let's move on to work orders and create a new work order now. We'll define a subject. In our case, we'll select work order 4. We need to set the duration. Let's say this is a task of 4 hours, so we need to express it in minutes and hit the save button. Now, if we're going back to our planning board and we hit the hamburger menu here, you see that a side panel opens, and that side panel has the unplanned items, and we see our work order 4 appearing here. And now we can schedule it by dragging and dropping it onto the canvas. So that's all there is to start working with unplanned events.